In this lecture, I am going to show you how to add text in project. So without any further delay, let's get started. Look at, we are in the project interface, right? Now to do add text, simply hit on here. Please see, add new text. Actually, this is our text insert option. I simply hit on here. After clicking, we will get this window. At the time, you can write your any text in this box. Alright, simply follow me. I wrote last night fight. Now if you want, you may change the text color from here. Just hit on here. Think so, this time I like red. Just choose red. After that, click on OK. Can you see the difference, guys? At the same time, you can change font style. Just hit on here. Suppose this time I like this one. Then you can make it bold. Just hit on here. Now I'll select bold. But if you need, you can check another one. And if you want, you can check out more fonts. Even you can choose right position. Just hit on here. Or you can pick this one. Okay, this time I select center position. Finally, if you want to save the change, simply hit on OK like this. After that, you can customize the text whatever you need. Just select any anchor point, then drag it to do big or small like this. Makes sense, huh? At the moment, I want to see the preview of this text. To do that, simply hit on here. You already knew this is our preview option. I am simply hitting on it. Now follow, guys. After checking the preview, it has been zoom out, right? If you want to back the previous position, that time you have to click on it. Look at, this is our properties option, right? I just double click on it like this. Yes, do you understand, guys? This time I want to stop the zoom out effect. To do that, again hit on here. Then stop it. Now follow this option. This is zoom effect option. I simply uncheck it. After that, again play. Just hit on here. Can you see the difference, guys? Okay, I again select it. Afterwards, again play it for your better getting. Simply follow carefully. Right now there is no zoom out effect available, right? Okay, at the time I will show you camera position option. That's mean how to work it. Currently I select the text like this. Now I'll do a little bit small, just follow me. Now I set this text in this position. Now I'll check the preview. Just hit on here. Look at, after checking the preview, the text is not in the right position. Alright, now I again select the text like this. Then customize it. And set it right here. After setting our text in this position, I will use camera position. To do that, simply hit on here. You know this is our camera position. I simply hit on here. After clicking on it, you will also get an option. That is this. By this option, you can clear or delete your camera position effect that you already applied. Okay, now I don't want to remove it. I want to see a preview. So simply hit on here. Okay, at the time, I will clear the camera position effect. To do that, select the text, then remove it from here. Just hit on here. Yes, it has been gone. Now I will play for checking. Do you understand, guys? I guess you got all the points super clearly. If you don't get any point yet now, don't worry. In future, you will get more experience. So simply stay connected for your best result. See you in the next lecture.